video I'm gonna be doing a tutorial, guys. So for today's tutorial is how to design your own keyboard, guys. So let's get started. Be doing a tutorial as I did the intro, guys. So first step is to get on Play Store and download whatever you want. Just search Kawaii World Minecraft keyboard. Then for example you want this, then install it. Then you just get your keyboard. Then you have to just do something. When it downloads, it will ask you to download the emoji keyboard. So download it first, guys. Download it first. So we're gonna go back to the keyboard and choose what you want to. So I downloaded this on my phone. So I don't want it to be the same, so we're gonna download this. Mommy wants this, so let's download it. It's kind of a high MB, guys, but it's okay. When it's download, just click it, and then there will be two ads. Click the apply and then there will be another ad, guys. Click the agree and apply and then that's the other ad. So here, guys, we're gonna exit that. Enjoy your So we're gonna try it, guys. I believe, because I tried this before, so I just want to show you it, guys. So we're gonna go to Messenger. It's so cool, guys. Just try it and it will be so beautiful, guys. Then another one. So how to get your keyboard? So we're gonna erase this because it's kind of a high MB. Then don't erase the emoji keyboard because we need it in the wallpaper too, guys. So don't erase it, guys. So Play Store. Then we just need to get Kawaii World. As you can see, my keyboard is black again. Search. And then you need to install cute wallpapers Kawaii background. If you want cuties, I want cuties, so let's install this. And it's 20 MB. So guys, once it got installed, so guys, I'm just gonna check if it's got installed. So guys, wait for it, and once it got installed, guys, let me show you. So guys, once it got installed, you just click it and then there, Kawaii apps. Thank you for downloading many Kawaii wallpapers. Everything and I here, download and share. Favorites. Okay, got it. Allow. Then you'll see what you want, guys. You want, for example, do you want the first one here? Then get it to set the wallpaper. When you wanted to set it both, or set as lock screen, or set as a home screen. I just wanted to stay as lock screen. Okay. So guys, here. And then we just need to X that. And then guys, so we end this video right here. So we're gonna end this video right here. And let's see if it works. You can't see it, guys, but it actually works. It actually works, guys. It actually works because I downloaded it. I just want to show you it, guys. So when you want to your set as home screen, so let's set it and okay. So when you get it, then there is a cute little cat. When you move it, it moves. When you move it, it moves. Look, it's cute. Cute. So guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe and click the notification bell to never miss another video. Bye guys!